Braadkyaas Jamiekan now give the news in the Jamaican language.
People, wagwan. This a Talitani and mega give the news rundown in a Jamaican. First, let me give the headline them. Kiftan Reda, who are the president for the Jamaica Hotel and Tourist Association, JHTA, say my begging members them to be extra careful and follow the COVID-19 rule them, like our COVID-19 case are go up all over the world. The Ministry for Education are going to meet with the school people them tomorrow, like how them plan for open school on January 3, although COVID-19 case are go up in the country. The business people them were in a seafood St. Thomas, so them are worried about the whole heap of killing and other serious crime wagwan in the area. Gunman shot and killed one 10-year-old girl this morning in a central Kingston. Now for the full tour of them. Clifton Reda, who are the president for the Jamaica Hotel and Tourist Association, JHTA, say my begging members them to be extra careful and follow the COVID-19 rule them, like our COVID-19 case are go up all over the world. As according to the president, it's well important for the tourism sector out here be extra careful because all heap of foreigners come out here now and them are come from country where the virus gone up in. On top of that, the JHTA president tell them members that the Omicron variant and the rest of the other strain them can mash up the tourism sector and the economy. The Ministry for Education are going to meet with the school people them tomorrow, like how them plan for open school on January 3, although a COVID-19 case are go up in the country. The ministry sent out something to the regional director them, the school board chairman them, and the principal them and tell them say face-to-face teaching are going to start in a basic school, primary and high school come Monday. But Linver Wright, who are the president for the Jamaica Association for Principals for Secondary School, said them are going to talk about the problem them what them have in the meeting. So far, the Ministry for Education get a go-ahead for 856 schools open. On top of that, the Education Ministry said everybody will work at the school them must their work Monday. The business people them were in a seafood St. Thomas, said them are worried about the whole heap of killing and other serious crime were going in the area. The business people them say right now this a mash up them business. 12 people get killed in a seafood since the start of the year. On top of that, the business people them say them want more police in the area and them want the police get some help for the more patrol in the area. Gunman shot and killed one 10-year-old girl this morning in a central Kingston. She is Jezaria Tyrell and she come from Fleet Street in a Kingston. As according to the report from the Central Police, around 2:15 in the morning, Jezaria and her family member them did their home asleep when them smell gas and hear some sound pan them house top. Them get up and go look and gunman start bust shot pan them when them a try go in at the house. When the shooting stop, them sister Jezaria get shot. People rush with her go hospital and doctor say she dead. Some senior detectives say them a ask people in the community or anybody who know what going for come talk to them. 2 police constables amongst 4 men will get locked up after them try to rob one bar in East Kingston yesterday morning. The police say them find 2 guns and enough bullets. As according to the police report, around 3 o'clock in the morning, one team from the Windward Road Police went up on patrol when time them see 2 men on the road. The man them tell the police that them did a wait for one car for carry them go St. Thomas. After that, the police said them see the 2 police sitting in a one car, and when them search the car, them see 2 padlock where it look like them did a try broke in at the bar. All of them get locked up. People, remember the curfew are from 10 o'clock in the night to 5 o'clock in the morning. Me name Talitani and that's the news rundown in a Jamaican.
Braadkyaas Jamiekan just give the news in the Jamaican language.